Hey guys, want to know how to gain success by just using 3 simple quotes? Well, that's what today's video is about. But before we jump into that, if you guys have never been to this channel, what I'd love to do is just inspire the world in 5 main areas of life. Those are mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially. Because I truly believe that if we all had a holistic balance of each one of those areas, we would live in world peace and abolish hunger, famine, slavery, have no more violence, and just be able to live in abundance. So if you guys believe in similar messages, go ahead and let me know, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and let's get started. Alrighty, how to plan for success, again using 3 quotes. And I am not even sure how to pronounce the first person's names, Anton Saint something, and I'm sorry for that, but that quote is, "A dream without a plan is just a dream. A goal without a plan is just a wish." So what do you guys think that means? Again, if you have a goal without a plan, it's just a wish. So I believe that, again, if you have a desire for something, but if you don't develop a blueprint or take action on it, then again, it doesn't turn into anything. Just like the saying, knowledge is power, but it's only power if you take action on that power. Because if you read a manual on how to drive a car, but you never take action and learn how to drive a car, it's just useless information. You have to jump in the driver's seat and actually put the gear in drive and press the gas and learn how to adjust it from there. So that's what I believe that means. Okay, and quote number 2 is from Benjamin Franklin. He says, failing to prepare is preparing to fail. So again, failing to prepare is preparing yourself for failure. And again, very similar, I believe that means if you don't have a plan on something and you try to go without, you're just hoping for the best, you will always end up failing. That's why so many people, they just wish and hope that they win the lottery, or wish that they get a promotion at their job, or wish that they make some more money, but if they're not taking the proper steps to actually produce that outcome, it's not going to happen. It's not going to just, the money fairy is not going to just dump a bag of money out of the sky and land on your lap and say, wow, now I have extra $10,000 a month, thank you. You have to put in the work, or it just will not happen. Again, a ship that is on the sea navigating without a navigation system is just going to end up nowhere, and they're going to run out of fuel, and that's not a good sign. So again, you have to be able to plan in order to be successful, because no plan equals failure, planning equals success. Okay, and the third one comes from Gloria Steinem. "Without leaps of imagination or dreaming, we lose the excitement of possibilities. Dreaming, after all, is a form of planning." Again, guys, when you start to study successful people, you start to realize a lot of them say the same thing, but in their own different, unique way. But it's the same message, no matter who you study. So all this information has been there for hundreds, if not thousands of years, but again, we're kind of taught to be distracted by our society and getting information that's not really relevant or useless, to where we forget to pay attention to the information that's actually meant for us to listen to. So again, guys, open your minds, study, read, educate yourself, use the law of attraction to attract the people, systems, education you need to actually get you to the next step in life. Because if you don't, you would just sit there and waste time, just like the hamster on a hamster wheel, just spinning, doing all this work, but not really going anywhere. So if you guys really want to go somewhere, if you want to change your life, you want to change your weight, you want to change your financial status, you have to take action, because it's not going to happen if you don't. So please take action, guys. And I would love to hear your interpretation of each one of those quotes in the comments below. Again, share this out with people who need to hear it in your community, your tribe. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I will talk to you guys soon. Greg for Planet Green Zen, over and out.